If you're using a third-party logistics, also known as 3PL, you can now save time by creating customizable templates with an Unleashed for Data Exporter. Click on Integration and Data Exporter, and let's add a template. Enter the name for this template and choose the data source from the drop-down menu. At the moment, only the sales order option is available, but we are working on expanding our options. Select the export format from the drop-down menu and enter the default email address. This can be the email address for the 3PL you use, for example. Scrolling down, you will need to adjust the filters according to your needs. You can easily mirror your 3PL template by selecting the fields to be exported and arranging its order according to your preferences. Once you are happy with your filters and fields, click in Save. Now that your template for Data Exporter is ready, simply click on the template you want to use, adjust the filters accordingly, and click on Export. This might take a while depending on how much data you might have, and once it's ready, you can click on the task icon and download your file. If you prefer, you can send this file directly to the email you have entered as default email. Click on the email button for that. And also keep an eye on the email log to keep track of all emails sent. Thanks for watching.